As far as the manufacturing is concerned, the biggest challenge they are facing is the sales is not picking up. That is the biggest problem. And unfortunately, the online presence is also minimal. So today I'm going to talk about the solution for this problem. And my name is Kalyanji and I'm an online startup and entrepreneur coach. And majority of my experience is in manufacturing industry. So definitely I can talk about that. If you see any manufacturing industry, whether it is injection molding or turning or pressure die casting or CNC milling, they are off-road. They are not aligning themselves with the latest changes in marketing, latest changes in digital marketing, changes in online presence and all those things. Still they are secluded. Most of them are still secluded. Still they think that their sales comes only through participating in exhibitions. Still they think the sales comes through only through exhibitions. They want to participate in each and every exhibitions that is taking place, spending a lot of money for participating in exhibitions. But they are forgetting the fact that they have better options than participating in exhibitions and all those things. The number one thing that you have to do if you are in the manufacturing sector is doing videos. If you notice, you would have seen lot of customers who are facing different kinds of problems. For example, if you take the case of blowholes, okay, if you can make a video on how to control blowholes, definitely there will be at least 10% of the people who will really show interest in that video, because that customer is really facing the blowhole issues. Another issue may be not able to supply within the tolerances. So like that, there are many issues which needs to be addressed, and the customer really needs some supplier who can definitely find a solution for that. Unfortunately, they are not in a position to find out such a supplier, because the manufacturer who are specialized, who are very good at this kind of solutions, are not present online. At the maximum, what these manufacturing companies, especially CEOs, what they do is they have a LinkedIn account. They think that once they have an account in LinkedIn, everything is over as far as social media is concerned. They are forgetting the fact that YouTube videos are very powerful, which needs to be used. Instead of doing that, they have an account in LinkedIn, and what they do is they search, especially if you are a head of marketing or a head of sales in a manufacturing company, what you do is, the first thing is you are opening an account in LinkedIn. Then if the management permits, you go for a Sales Navigator, that is paid tool, Sales Navigator, so that you can send emails to the prospects. You search for prospects and you send the emails through LinkedIn stating that we are doing so and so, we are that, we are this and all. What you are doing is completely doing push marketing. And unfortunately, I am getting many emails from especially from China, from injection molding suppliers, pressure die casting suppliers, then CNC turning suppliers, machine suppliers. I am getting a lot of emails stating about their capabilities. But instead of doing that, and most of them are not even opening most of the mails, I am sure in most of the cases, the decision maker will not open that email. Instead of that, if you identify some 100 questions or 100 pain points or 100 problems or 100 challenges that the customer is facing, because naturally you are there in the field for a long time, you will be knowing what is the real problem the customers are facing, why they are fed up, what's the kind of headache they are facing. If you can do a video on each, if you can identify at least, leave it on 100, if you can identify at least 50 problems, if you can identify 50 problems and release videos with answers to each and every problem, you do not even say that come to me, I will help you or anything like that. So this is an issue and this is a solution. Okay, we have done this, or you can even, if you can present a case study, There may be customers who don't want their name to be mentioned. They don't want their name to be mentioned. So if you can at least say this is a problem that was observed in particular customer, and this is how we found the solution. And if you can do a new YouTube video as well as upload video in LinkedIn, I promise you the customer will come to you. Customer will come to you because they would have gone through that problem. They will be going through that problem. They still would have been going through the problem, and they need somebody who can give solution, because unnecessarily they are wasting money, they are wasting their time, they are losing out the brand name, goodwill, and everything. So if you have a solution for that, definitely the customer will come to you. Instead of doing that, if you're just opening an account in LinkedIn, and if you just send a email, if you just make a write-up in LinkedIn, nothing is going to work out. You have to be present with videos. And one thing I tell you, if you participate in an exhibition in India, you will be spending at least 10 lakh rupees, at least 7 lakhs rupees. And if you're participating in any exhibition in abroad, especially if it is in Germany or UK, or nowadays many exhibitions are happening in Dubai also, you will be spending minimum 15 to 20 lakhs. If you can allocate at least 1/10 of it, if you can allocate at least 1/10 of that amount, definitely you will have 20 to 30% increase in your customer base. And the important thing is, you are not pushing them to be your customer. They are coming to you. You are pulling them to you. You are pulling them to you. They come and ask you, hey Kalyan, or example, hey, I have seen a video on this particular issue and we have this problem. Will you be in a position to help us out? If you can sort it out, we are ready to place the order with you. So there, the price is not a deciding factor. There, the solution is a deciding factor. Nobody is going to talk about even the price also. So take it from me. Please change your mindset. And there are many people who are saying that I don't want to be in Facebook. I am not in Facebook. I don't want to do any kind of a thing in Facebook or Instagram. See, the generation is changing. The new gen managers are all there in Instagram. They are using Instagram. In other countries, they are using TikTok. Most of them are watching TikTok. Whether it is a VP or GM or manager or whoever it is, they are watching YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. Please show your presence with the solutions in each and every platform, including Quora, Quora, including Quora, and show what is it that solution that you can provide for a problem. Don't sell. Just give value. Just say what is the solution that you can provide, that you are providing, because you already have solved these problems. Show some case studies. 100%, I promise you, 101%, the customers will come and knock your door and say, hey, I have seen your video and I am facing this problem. Can you help me out? It may be from India, it may be from some other countries, definitely, because now the boundaries are all shrinking. There is no boundary at all. Think it over. Don't go on the beaten path. Definitely, this will increase your turnover, this will increase your customer base, and this will increase your brand value also. Definitely I can help you out on this case. In case you need any specific advice on this, I can definitely help you out. You can, without making any investment, you can join my VIP group in Facebook and give me the link below, so we can discuss each and everything there. Okay, thank you so much, and thanks for watching, and looking forward to your comments here. Thank you so much. Don't forget to join the VIP group in the Facebook. I can help you out at no cost.